Understanding dimming light, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, dimming light. This expression is not just about the physical act of reducing light but also carries deeper, metaphorical meanings. Let's dive into understanding this intriguing phrase in detail. Dimming light literally refers to reducing the brightness of a light source. Imagine a lamp with a dimmer switch. As you turn the switch, the light becomes softer and less intense. This action is known as dimming the light. Metaphorically, dimming light can symbolize a decrease or fading of something significant. For example, the dimming light of hope suggests hope becoming less strong or disappearing. The artist's creativity was a dimming light, implies that the artist's creativity is fading away. In literature, dimming light is often used to set a mood or represent a change. For example, the dimming light of the evening set a melancholic tone. In everyday speech, you might hear it in expressions like, with his departure, a light dimmed in her life, indicating a sense of loss or sadness. There are several phrases that convey a similar meaning. Fading light, often used to describe the end of the day or a decline in power or importance. Dwindling light implies a gradual decrease in light or metaphorically, in hope or strength. Dimming light is a versatile phrase with both literal and metaphorical uses. Understanding its various contexts can enrich your comprehension and expression in English. We hope this video sheds light on the nuances of this phrase. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.